Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Look at that. Fresh shirt. Nice 2X. Big boy. Getting eaten alive out here, people.
Did you put the bug getter out here?
I got it kicking over there.
You know, they make one of those that does a 20-foot radius now.
I think that one's even more than that. I did just turn it on, so. Probably should have prepared earlier. It's all good.
Have the area prepared.
Debugified.
Oh, shit.
You drive the truck around and spray sometimes, people.
That's the midsummer, though. The big loud bug truck.
Yeah, spraying chemicals from the rooftops.
Literally.
I'm sure that's healthy.
Do they not do that everywhere?
I think that's like a around here type thing. I've seen it in Huntsville. Let me tell you though, growing up out in the country, I've never seen that before.
It does come out there too, doesn't
No,
it?
it does not.
Oh, God.
That is a city occurrence, my lady. I
Right.
had only ever seen that truck at my grandmother's house.
Great. I'm gonna
You
love
didn't
to
see
get...
them massive flies out there? You want something controlling them? It's a healthy breeding population.
Everything's a little bit bigger out there.
Oh yeah.
The bugs, the snakes.
Texas of the East. So, what do we got there kicking it off?
We got fuchsia.
Fuchsia? Fuchsia red or just fuchsia?
Fuchsia red.
Fuchsia red.
This is orange sorbet.
Orange sorbet. It is fuchsia red, right?
Yeah.
I couldn't remember. Orange sorbet. Jumbo golden yellow.
This is citrus.
Citrus yellow.
We'll do green apple. No, we'll do lime.
Lime pop. We love the lime pop. I need to remake some more. I've been slacking on our dye mix. I know it's got a lower golden yellow and a couple others over there, but I'm gonna stack them back up this week. I just haven't had a whole lot of time lately.
Oh, tie-dye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to make something cool.
Trying to.
Hopefully.
I tied one shirt.
Oh.
You want us to make you one?
I would say, you want one? We'll make you whatever you want.
Sure.
What colors you want?
Blue, green, red, yellow.
Blue,
Okay.
green, red, and yellow.
I think we can do
We
that.
can do that.
What size you wear?
You know what's on? Well, probably adult small or a 5T, one of the two.
Yeah.
Or
Or maybe
LT, sorry.
maybe a youth medium.
I don't know. I'm
Medium.
just want to check my shirt real quick.
We'll
Okay.
figure it out. Was that turquoise or Cayman?
What a sweet little kid.
Oh yeah, that's our neighbor.
Thanks. So
Flip-flop.
flip it.
We had turquoise and lavender or
Deep purple.
Deep purple.
Yeah.
Okay. So all told on this one, we have citrus yellow, orange sorbet, lime pop, fuchsia red, turquoise, deep purple, and better black. Wonderful rainbow with better black on the reverse. A nice web of rainbow color. Look at all that. Oh yeah.
Looks like I'm missing a couple spots. Hold on.
A little bit of tap on that purple there. A little bit of red. Good. To the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
That's good. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.